Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new deals to share with you. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to call this the Struggleville 10 and 10. 10 amazing deals in 10 minutes or less. We have some of your favorite retailers here. We're going to use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see the boxes popping up throughout the video. Then we have some Amazon deals. We're going to have those links in the description down below. The first thing that I want to show you is this Muscle Rack 5-shelf steel shelving unit. Normally $79 down to $49. You're also going to get free shipping on that, which is amazing on something that's kind of big, bulky, and heavy. You don't got to worry about getting it home. Now, a couple of things. I love these styles of shelving units, and you can never have enough shelving units. There's always more storage. Throw some tubs and things on there. But what I like about these is, first off, the shelves, flat bottoms. Sometimes it's a grid style bottom or it's not flat for some reason. They're always a pain. Things are falling through it. If something has legs on it, it falls in the hole. Terrible. You want the flat bottoms. Also, adjustable height. You can make them any height you want, so it's totally customizable to accommodate whatever you're putting on the shelf. Nice, sturdy, strong, and practical. Next up, we have the Amazon Car Code Reader OBD2 Car Code Scanner Check Engine Light Fault Code Reader by Ikekikin. I don't know if that was enough Kikikis, but Ikekikin. 50% off. So it's not the most robust OBD2 scanner you can get, but still a goodie. Look at this. $19.59, but we have a 50% promo code, so it's going to be under $10. Where else have you ever had an OBD2 scanner for under $10? Perfect to throw in the glove box, so when the check engine light unexpectedly comes on, we can at least read the code, see what's going on. Is it an emergency? Is it just the gas cap wasn't put on all the way and we don't really care about it? A little evaporative system malfunction. Just give it a little turn, take it off, put it back on, tighten it down, you'll be ready to go. It could be something dumb that we don't care about, or it could be a catastrophic failure. And we'd like to know, so we can hook that up and look at the codes. Now look at this. Over to Walmart again, we have the Portland men's casual lace-up boot, size 8.5 to 13. Normally $70 down to $14.99. That is such an amazing savings. Now look, all the sizes are in stock, well, except for that one, it looks like right now, and all $14.99. Let's see, we also have black. Black is discounted as well. We can get black, we can get brown, we can get both. So, real nice deal, $14.99 for some boots. Here we have on Amazon a 5-piece hammer set. Forged and polished steel head, long wood handle. All the different types of hammers that come with it by Toyview. Toyu. They should definitely put a V in there. Toyview would be better. 50% off. So you got the wood handles. We're going to call them hickory handles. Various ball peen claws, mini sledgehammers. $45.99, but look at that, 50% off. Goes from $46 to $22.99. That's going to go through the 19th. Well, you could open up this page and check out the reviews. They actually had some pretty decent reviews. I mean, looking at the picture, I was kind of like, I don't know. And also, it's only $23. What can we expect out of $23 for 5 hammers? But the reviews, I'm like, well, I think it's worth it. It's worth poking a hope. What's the worst that could happen? Might want to wear a helmet when using it just in case. With a face mask. Hanes Men's Essentials long sleeve crew t-shirt. Now don't worry. When you put this on, you're not going to immediately have a man bun, okay? It doesn't do that to you. They just like to use goofy ass bastards in their photography, I noticed. I don't know if it's a Walmart thing or a Hanes thing, but don't worry, it won't man bun you. Normally $8 down to just $3.87. Yeah, if you're a Walmart Plus member, you get the free shipping. Otherwise, you gotta get your order total over $35. Maybe you'll be buying the shelving unit. Maybe you'll be buying the Portland boots. You can add this, and you can see different colors are different prices. We got $3.92 on this, $3.87, $4.23. Some of them closer to full price at $7.99 or $8.99. But lots of options for our long sleeve crew neck T-shirt. I love the crew neck because the V-neck, well, the V-neck is more fitting of a man bun, to be honest with you. I put the two together. If you got a man bun, you probably like a V-neck. But and you get the long sleeves, keep you nice and warm in the winter. One of my favorites, the 2-pack of 6.5 amp hour DeWalt compatible batteries. This is a 2-pack by Kigwolf, and they are 40% off. Love my DeWalt compatibles because they're a fraction of the price and they work just as well. Gotta save money on the batteries. You know DeWalt's screwing you on the batteries. That's where they're making up the profit margin. $78.99, but 40% off on that 2-pack going through the 23rd. Let's see. Math tells me close to $50. I could be way off on that, but we're just guessing. Close to 50. That's $25 a piece for 6.5 amp hour battery. Those are big boy batteries. Looks like we even got the little fuel gauge on there. And you can use your regular typical DeWalt charger to give them guys charge. Now I have a new one for you. Home Shopping Network. Okay, just bear with me for a second because I think it's really cool. Now this item I really like. I don't know if it's the best deal in the world, but it just looked really cool and I liked it. So it starts out, it's $59.99 and $3.50 for shipping. However, they do have a new customer offer, which I'm going to assume most of you guys are new customers. You probably haven't had an HSN account. HSN 2024. I know we're into 2025, but the code works till next year. That'll take $10 off an order of $20 or more. But look at this thing. It kind of reminds you of the Braun from back in the days. We have the base, and then we have different guys we can add to it. It's rechargeable. We got the regular flashlight. We got this really big LED, like work light style, and then we got the little snake light camera that, or not camera, but snake light that we saw in the video that was playing. If you were paying attention over at the video here, when I first loaded the page, they were trying to go down a sync with it. I just think that is so cool. Look, it might even come with a bow on it. I really like these interchangeable heads. I thought that was cool. $59.99. It's a little more than I would like, but I liked the item, and I want to show you that promo code. It's $10 off because it's going to be pertinent here in a second. 12-inch mirror dash cam with Wi-Fi, 2.5K rear. This is by Wolfbox, and it comes with the 32 gigabyte SD card. These are actually kind of really cool. So you get the regular forward-facing camera, the dash cam, and it mounts on your rearview mirror, and then you're going to mount a rear-facing camera, and that is going to work as your rearview mirror. Now, with the one I have, I use one of these in my 66 Caprice. When the camera is off, or if you just turn off the screen for it, the film or whatever the hell it's made out of is like a mirror. It works like a regular rear view mirror. You can still see the reflection and see what's behind you. But when the camera's on, you can look at the forward facing dash cam, you can look at the rear facing dash cam, or you can split screen it. Now, I'm not sure if that's exactly how this one works because mine is a different brand. But the point is, you can still look behind you, like even if the camera malfunctions or whatever. And I just think it's kind of a cool concept. I like it. Mine also has like the date and time and stuff on it, which is kind of cool because you can just look right at your rearview mirror and see it. Now this starts out at $159.99, but then we have a 20% promo code and a $30 coupon. So once we get both those discounts in there, you're going to be under $100 for a really cool dash cam. Going back to the Home Shopping Network. Now check out this one. It's $14.95 and then $3.50 for shipping and handling. Again, we can use the same promo code if you're a new customer, but remember that's a $20 order, so you'd have to buy something else, maybe buy two of these guys. But look at these little Bell & Howell rechargeable work lights with clip. So rechargeable, got the clip. I want to say it was magnetic. I feel like I saw a magnet somewhere. But look at that. You can set it up under there, aim it wherever you want. Nice little automotive uses. Oh, there it is. Boom. I knew I saw something somewhere. But fridges are stainless steel, aren't they? Is stainless steel magnetic? Should that be magnetic? I don't know. You'll have to tell me. But $14.95 for two. That's $7 a piece. Really like that. One more Home Shopping Network item for you. Normally $41.95 down to $26.95, $5.50 shipping, and again you can use that $10 off on this one, so you actually make it $16.95. And if we take a look at this little magnetic under hood style light, and then we can even bend the ends like this. We got the magnet style, we got the light, the bar, boom. Look how cool that is. And you're really going to get it for $16.95 after we use that promo code, which is, again, HSN 2024. So we have the YouTube shopping links for that, as well as the other ones. I just thought it was cool. I saw Home Shopping, and we're going, hey, what the hell? Let's see what they got. And it wasn't the worst. It wasn't the worst. There it is, guys. 10 in 10. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, and subscriber. I'll see you next time.